I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the S22 Ultra is ready. Update the phone, unlock if needed, and connect to reliable Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings and tap Connections, then SIM Card Manager. This is where you add an eSIM. You will need the carrier's QR or activation code at hand because the phone will request it immediately. Make sure airplane mode is off so the phone can register profiles. This first step starts the process. Follow prompts until the phone shows Add Mobile Plan. You now scan the QR or enter the activation details manually. Choose Add Mobile Plan and use the camera or input the code. After the profile installs, assign a clear label like Work or Personal so you can manage lines easily. Make sure to pick the default line for voice, text, and mobile data, and toggle data switching if you want automatic switching. If the carrier requires an ICSID, paste it in. Once configured, the phone attempts network registration. Watch for signal bars before proceeding. Finish by confirming the carrier indicates active service and then test a call, text, and some data. If anything fails, first toggle the eSIM profile off and back on, restart your S22 Ultra, and retry scanning the QR or re-entering the code. These steps often clear glitches. If that does not work, contact the carrier to check provisioning. Make sure to remove the physical SIM if you're replacing it, and keep a screenshot or note of eSIM details for future restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.